A container contains 40 liters of milk. From this container, 4 liters of milk was taken out and replaced by water. This process was repeated further 2 times. How much milk is now contained by the container? Now, for such kind of questions, we can use a very simple formula. First of all, let's assume that the initial quantity of milk in this particular question as X, and let's assume that the removed quantity every time is Y. Okay. Now it is not only removed, but it is replaced as well. So I'll write it down as replaced quantity. Okay. So the formula for such questions could be milk left is equal to initial quantity, that is X, into 1 minus Y upon X raised to N. Okay. So you can remember this formula as a general concept where N is the number of times the process is repeated. The replacement process repeated. Okay. Now in this particular question, if we read it, the initial quantity is 40. So X is 40 and the replaced quantity is 4. Okay. Now from this container, 4 liters of milk was taken out and replaced. So you can see it is done once and the process was repeated further 2 times. So that means plus 2. 1 plus 2. That means the total time is 3. So this is your value of N. So milk left is equal to X is 40 into 1 minus 4 upon 40 raised to 3. So 4 upon 40, it gets reduced to 1 upon 10. So 1 minus 1 upon 10, that is 9 upon 10. So we have 40 into 9 upon 10 into 9 upon 10 into 9 upon 10. Okay. So 1 0 gets cancelled out. So it basically is 4 into 9 cube is 729 divided by 100. So if we solve this, the answer comes as 29.16. So this is the quantity of milk left after 3 times of replacement. So answer is option D.